Worry that your perfect design will fail in testing because you picked the wrong material, wasting all the time and money. Today, I will give you a clean framework in 4 minutes to choose the best material for your application. Get it right the first time.
Scenario 1. Need corrosion resistance or all-round value. 316 liters stainless steel is your all-rounder. Aluminum All-C10MD is the champion for lightweight and heat dissipation at lower cost. Scenario 2. Need extreme strength to weight ratio or biocompatibility. Titanium TC4 is the ultimate for aerospace and medical implants, but at a premium price. Scenario 3. Need extreme hardness or superior thermal or electrical conductivity. Dual steel MIS1 is for high wear. Pure copper is unmatched for thermal or electrical parts, but challenging to print.
Material selection isn't a guess. Ask, what's the core requirements? Stress, weight, corrosion, resistance, temperature, or cost? The answer points to the best material. Still unsure? That's what we are here for. Email your application and requirements to hello@unionfab.com for free material advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.